At the Hayze brand, we're not just splashing paint. We're injecting life, vibe, and soul into every surface we touch. Born in the streets, we are on a mission to ignite urban landscapes with murals that speak to the language of your brand. From atmospheric Airbnbs to lively bars, dynamic gyms, and everything in between, we offer more than just paintings. We offer a transformative branding tool. Imagine turning your walls into vibrant tales that captivate your audience, crafted with a unique blend of consultation, creativity, and quality execution. Our growth is really just a mural in the making. We're getting the coolest cats to expand our tribe because we're not just a business, we're igniting a movement. So, creators, dreamers, midnight schemers, join us. Let's live out loud, color outside the lines, and paint a future where every day is a masterpiece of your own making. Because at the Hayze brand, we're not just creating art, we're living out loud. Because life's too short for beige. Be bold, be creative, be you.